Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth reviews and smart buys. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Klein Tools 80025 Outlet Tester Kit, the best voltage tester pen non-contact currently available on the market. Whether you're a DIYer, homeowner, or professional electrician, this compact yet powerful two-piece kit could be exactly what your toolkit needs. The 80025 kit by Klein Tools is a practical combination of two essential tools: the RT210 GFCI outlet tester and the NCVT1P non-contact voltage tester pen. Together, they form a compact electrical testing solution that can help you quickly detect wiring faults, test outlets, and verify voltage presence, without needing to touch any bare wires. Let's start with the RT210 GFCI tester. This device is designed to test standard electrical outlets and GFCI outlets alike. Simply plug it in, and in moments it will diagnose common wiring issues such as open ground, open neutral, open hot, and reversed polarity. One of its standout features is the ability to confirm proper operation of GFCI protected outlets, which is especially important in kitchens, bathrooms, and outdoor receptacles where safety is a top priority. The indicator lights on the tester are bright, easy to read, and provide clear feedback so you know exactly what kind of issue, if any, is present. Moving on to the NCVT1P voltage tester pen, this little tool packs a big punch. It allows for non-contact voltage detection in a variety of environments, everything from outlets and switches to light fixtures, extension cords, and circuit breakers. You simply hover the tip of the pen near a potential live wire or outlet, and the high-intensity green LED will indicate the pen is operational. When voltage is detected, the LED turns red and an audible warning tone is triggered. This simple interface gives you instant clarity on whether voltage is present, all without ever touching a wire. Another thing to love about this tester pen is its digitally controlled on/off power button. It's a small but important detail that makes it easy to control the device when you need it, and just as easily power it down when you don't. The pen also features a convenient pocket clip, making it easy to carry around on the job. In terms of build, both tools reflect Klein's reputation for rugged, reliable craftsmanship. The design is clean, the plastic casing is durable, and each tool feels solid in the hand without being heavy or bulky. This isn't just another cheap testing set, it's a kit built for professionals but priced for anyone. Speaking of price, the Klein Tools 80025 kit is offered at around $23.49, with additional shipping and import charges if you're ordering from outside the US. While it's not the cheapest tester on the market, the combination of features, safety, reliability, and brand trust make it a smart investment, especially when electrical safety is on the line. Overall, the Klein Tools 80025 outlet tester kit earns its reputation as a top choice. It's easy to use, accurate, and versatile. Whether you're troubleshooting outlets or simply verifying live circuits before starting a job, this kit has got your back. If you're in the market for a reliable, affordable, and compact electrical testing solution, this is it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical product insights, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to review next. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.